In this video, I will show you how I created these fantastic looking AI video advertisements using the latest Seedance 2.0 4K resolution video generator model. And to do this, I used a platform called Magnific.com. This one is a simple workflow builder where you can just add nodes and connect those together to create AI workflows with which you can create amazing images and videos. If you want to try it, I have left a link to it in the description with a little discount. But now let's get started with the video. And now all you need to do is sign up for Magnific.com, then you're going to see a dashboard like this, then just choose Spaces here on the left-hand side and click on New Space. And worry not if you have never used a workflow builder, because especially on a simple use case that I'm about to show you right now, this is actually super intuitive. So all you need to do is just add nodes and add comments or prompts, and that's pretty much it. So first and foremost, let us create a high-end product advertisement for a phone. And to do that, all we literally need to do is just right-click, click on text, and then here we can type in our prompt. For example, let's say something like this. Give me a prompt with which I can create a high-end phone company ad of 15 seconds of duration. And that's all there is to it. Now what I'll need to do next is I will drag this to the side. I will connect this instruction into an AI assistant node. And here you get to choose if you want to use the ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude AI large language models to produce the description of the video. So basically, we're going to run with the GPT-5 Mini for now. So I will just hit run. And after 15 seconds, here is our video description. And now all we need to do is to send this to a video generator. And since this is an AI workflow builder, we don't need to switch between tabs or subscriptions or windows. We can just continue by connecting this text block where we have the instruction into a video generator node. And before you do anything, here you need to choose the model. Right now we have Seedance 2.0 on the list, and thanks to the latest update, there is now a 4K option in the resolution tab. And now let's choose 15 seconds. We can choose the aspect ratio. For this one, I want it to be 16:9 for a broader video. And here you could choose how many videos you want to create, but for this one, let's just keep it at 1. And then all we need to do is just hit run. And now since this is 4K, it is actually going to be a pretty slow process even to make just a 15-second clip. So this might easily take 10 or even 15 minutes, so please be a bit patient over here. But since I actually just did this, here is what the result looks like. I mean, that is absolutely fantastic. And please, if you're watching this, make sure to enable 4K in the settings. And especially if you're watching this on a desktop, you can immediately tell that the quality is crazy impressive. Now that's one way to create a product video, but we didn't enter any product image or URL. So in that sense, this is kind of a random video that you couldn't really use. So what we're going to do next is we're going to create a similar high-end advertisement, but this time we're going to use a product like this. So I have this ready-to-drink smoothie. I took a picture of it a couple of days ago. It's just a regular picture of the product, and I have now entered that into this AI canvas. And now what I will do next is I will put this over here to the top and right click and add a text node over here. So now I will just tell the AI what I want to do with this product. And very similar to what we did previously, here we can also tell the AI to create a high-end advertisement for this product. So I'm telling something like analyze the product picture and create a high-end advertisement video of 15 seconds for it. And basically what I'm going for is a very similar ad to what you just saw me make previously, but this time it is just for this smoothie drink. So I want high-end, high-quality professional visuals for this one as well. And now what we can do is we're going to connect this instruction once again into an AI assistant node. But on top of that, I will also connect this picture as a reference. So now the AI knows exactly what the product looks like, as well as the simple instruction. And this time, let us actually use Claude Sonnet 4.6 to create our video description. And let's hit run. And there we go. By a quick look, this looks really good. So now all there's left to it is to connect this into a video generator. And once again, let's run the 4K resolution. Let's do 15 seconds. And also let us not forget to enable audio from this, because if you do it without audio, it is going to be completely muted. So then let's just hit run to see what kind of result we get back. And here we go. After 10 minutes, here's what the result looks like. I mean, that is just absolutely fantastic. So you can only imagine what kind of a price tag an advertisement like this would have been, but now we did it literally in 12 minutes using AI. But then let's address the elephant in the room, and that is what it actually costs to make one of these videos. When I created the 15-second 4K Seedance 2.0 video in Magnific, it said the price is 21,000 credits. And if we now check the pricing page, you can actually see that the most expensive monthly plan, which is the Pro plan, is 230 euros, which is probably $280. That is at least what the AI suggested, but I couldn't find the localization of this price, so I couldn't really change that to dollars to be sure, but the ballpark is still there. So for this amount, or for roughly $280, you get 300,000 credits. So you can already see that that is about 15 videos like those that I just showed you. But then we also need to take into account that one video usually takes 5 to 10 attempts. Basically, one good looking, actually usable 4K resolution video of a product can easily cost you 100,000 credits, which means that for 300,000 credits, you get 3 videos. So one video is almost $100. And that is the whole point of me making these videos. I will show what is possible, but I will also show that it is going to be very expensive. So if you just want to create one of these for fun, this is not the way to go. Nonetheless, that is a quick breakdown on what kind of amazing looking 4K high resolution, high quality, high-end videos you can create with your products with literally just one input image and one small input of one sentence. And that's what I really love. The AI is getting to a direction where you don't really need to know how to prompt it. You just send simple inputs and you get the rest automatically. Nonetheless, if you want to use Magnific.com, make sure to check the links in the description. You will find my favorite workflows as well as a really nice discount to this platform as well. But that's it for this video. I really like the fact that you're watching and I hope to see you in the next one. Have a good day.